Chapter 1: Early Life and Childhood. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. His father, Elon Musk, was an engineer, and his mother, May Musk, was a dietitian and model. From a young age, Elon showed signs of being very curious and intelligent. He loved reading books, especially science fiction, and spent hours exploring new ideas. When Elon was only 10 years old, he got his first computer. He taught himself how to program, and by the age of 12, he created a video game called Blaster, which he sold for $500. Growing up, Elon faced some challenges. He was often bullied at school and found it hard to fit in. However, these difficulties did not stop him. He was determined to learn and grow, knowing that he had big dreams to achieve. Chapter 2: Moving to North America. At the age of 17, Elon decided to move to North America. He believed that it was the land of opportunity, where he could make his dreams come true. Elon first went to Canada and studied at Queen's University. After 2 years, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania in the United States, where he earned degrees in physics and economics. During his time in university, Elon started thinking about the future and what he could do to make a difference in the world. Chapter 3: Starting his first companies. After finishing university, Elon Musk decided to pursue his entrepreneurial dreams. In 1995, he moved to California to attend Stanford University for a PhD, but he dropped out after just 2 days to start his first company, Zip2. Zip2 was an online city guide, and it helped newspapers create online maps and directories. The company was successful, and in 1999, Compaq bought Zip2 for nearly $300 million. Elon received $22 million from the sale. With this money, Elon co-founded X.com, an online payment company. X.com later became PayPal, which is widely used today. In 2002, eBay bought PayPal for $1.5 billion in stock, making Elon even wealthier. Chapter 4: Founding SpaceX. Even though Elon had already achieved a lot, he wanted to do more. He had a dream of making space travel more affordable and accessible. In 2002, he founded SpaceX, Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, with the goal of reducing space transportation costs and enabling the colonization of Mars. SpaceX faced many challenges in its early years. The first 3 launches of its rocket, the Falcon 1, failed. Elon was using his own money to fund the company, and by 2008, he was almost out of funds. However, the 4th launch was successful, and NASA awarded SpaceX a contract to deliver cargo to the International Space Station. This contract saved the company and marked the beginning of many more successes for SpaceX. Chapter 5: Creating Tesla. While working on SpaceX, Elon Musk also had another big idea. He wanted to create electric cars that were fast, beautiful, and environmentally friendly. In 2004, he joined Tesla Motors, a company founded by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. Elon became the CEO and product architect of Tesla, and he played a crucial role in the development of the Tesla Roadster, the first electric sports car. Tesla faced many difficulties in its early days, including production delays and financial problems. However, Elon never gave up. He believed in the potential of electric cars and worked tirelessly to make Tesla successful. Today, Tesla is one of the most valuable car companies in the world, and it has revolutionized the automotive industry with its innovative electric vehicles. Chapter 6: The visionary behind SolarCity and other ventures. Elon Musk's vision for a sustainable future did not stop with electric cars. In 2006, he co-founded SolarCity, a company that provides solar energy services. SolarCity became the largest provider of solar power systems in the United States. In 2016, Tesla acquired SolarCity, and it became Tesla's solar division, helping to create a complete solution for clean energy generation and storage. Elon Musk has also founded or been involved in other innovative companies, including Neuralink, which is working on developing brain-computer interface technology, and The Boring Company, which is focused on building tunnels to reduce traffic congestion in cities. Chapter 7. Aiming for Mars. One of Elon Musk's most ambitious goals is to colonize Mars. He believes that humanity must become a multiplanetary species to ensure its survival. SpaceX is developing the Starship spacecraft, which is designed to take humans to Mars and beyond. Elon has set a goal of landing the first humans on Mars within the next decade. While this goal may seem far-fetched to some, Elon Musk has proven time and again that he is capable of turning bold ideas into reality. His work with SpaceX has already made significant advancements in space technology, and many believe that he will achieve his dream of reaching Mars. Chapter 8. The Legacy of Elon Musk. Elon Musk's journey is far from over, but his impact on the world is already undeniable. He has revolutionized multiple industries, including space travel, electric vehicles, and renewable energy. Through his companies, Elon is working to create a better future for humanity, whether it's by reducing our reliance on fossil fuels or by making space exploration more accessible. Elon Musk's story is one of perseverance, innovation, and a relentless drive to achieve his goals. He has faced many challenges along the way, but his determination has allowed him to overcome them and continue pushing the boundaries of what is possible. For new English learners, his story is not only an inspiring tale of success, but also a lesson in the importance of never giving up on your dreams. Subscribe for more videos. Your support helps me create more content. Thanks for watching.